And today I want to talk to those of you who have been in network marketing or affiliate marketing for a while, or you've been in the past and gotten out, and you're kind of familiar with how things work for the compensation plans for network marketing. I want to talk to those of you that are a little bit familiar with this instead of new people. So if you're new, please, you can watch this too, but it might not make as much sense to you as it would to someone who's been around for a little bit and is a little bit more familiar. I wanted to say, please, do not just follow along with what everyone is doing. Do not just follow the crowd. Just because everybody's doing it doesn't mean it's the best thing for you. You need to decide what's best for you, and you need to do that by looking at the compensation plan. And we're not just talking about, like, what does this company do? How long has the company been around? There's a good measure. How long has the company been around? Do they have actual physical products that they're shipping? And what are those products? Is it something that you can relate to, something that works for you? I personally don't like the physical products because there's a lot of shipping involved and all of that stuff. Now that we have all these tariffs and everything, it just gets really confusing. And so shipping physical products can kind of be overwhelming, at least in my opinion. So I don't like to do the physical products. So are the products physical or digital? And then what is the compensation plan? How are you going to be paid? What is the amount of money that you are going to be making for all the effort that you're putting forth? You're a smart marketer. You've been in the system for a while. You've been in the online space for a while. You're good at this, and you know how to attract people and to make sales. And how are you going to be paid for that? What is going to be the compensation that you get back from the company for being an affiliate with them? And please pay attention to this. It's really important. I wanted to share with you about our company, MyEcon. It's been around, first of all, for 20 years. It's had the same CEO. It's been accredited with the Better Business Bureau. This company isn't going anywhere. It's been around for 20 years, paying its affiliates, and it's going to continue to pay its affiliates. It just keeps getting better. It's a multi-million-dollar company. Doesn't have any physical products. It is all digital products, all delivered digitally. There's no shipping or any of that other stuff to have to worry about. One of the best things that I love about it is the compensation plan is so simple. It fits on like 3 pages. And there's an extra page that talks about what rank you are in the company. There's 4 ranks in the company. And there's 3 pages of the compensation plan that talks about how you get paid. And it's so simple. This is transactional payment, you guys. This is a transactional compensation plan. Hopefully that makes sense to those of you who are familiar with these compensation plans a little bit. This isn't a matrix. There isn't any of that kind of stuff. There's no nonsense about, you only get paid down so many levels, and then if this person drops out or falls off or they're on the wrong side of the matrix, yada, yada, yada. All of that craziness is gone. This is a super simple compensation plan. You get paid on each transaction from generation 1 through infinity. You're getting paid on each transaction. So there's none of this craziness about you have all these people on your team, but you're not being paid for them, and you don't have to worry about any of that. Not with MyEcon. This is so simple. So as I said, on down to infinity, from generation 1, you are being paid. And you're also getting paid, of course, for your commissions on sales that you directly bring in. Between 70 and 95% is what you're being paid. Now, what other compensation plan is giving you that 70 to 95% on your personal commissions? There's not that many, really. The newest thing out there is only offering you 25% commission. And that's not very much, you guys. That's for your efforts. That's not a lot of compensation. You're having to work a lot to make the amount of money that you need to. So those of you that are captains, as we like to say, those of you who are good at building a big team, this is where you need to be. Right here on MyEcon, using our compensation plan, where you can take advantage of that of the overrides, of being paid down through infinity, of the straightforward compensation plan. It's so simple. I have YouTube videos on this, and I'll show you guys just how easy it is. If I can understand it, it's got to be easy, because I get so lost in all those matrix things. I don't even know what to do or how to figure that all out. But this is so super simple. So if you are serious about building a big team, if you are a big team builder, somebody that's looking for a way to actually earn money and be compensated for the effort you put forth, drop me a comment, get back to me, send me a text message, reach out to me. I want to work with you and I want to help you. And I'm looking forward to talking to you again soon.